Thank you for hanging out with me. My name is Dr. Sari. Let's go to Dominica.
Disable or destroy the lavatory smoke detectors. The safety card in your seat pocket explains the safety features.
So I finally made it to Dominica, the nature island of the Caribbean. So I'm on my way to my resort, Junglebay. Junglebay is located in the southwest part of Dominica. I think that area is called Sofre. So it's going to take us about an hour to get there. But if you get car sick, or if you do get car sick, please bring your emotion pills. Or, as Dominica people would like to say, just breathe in some lemongrass. So this is my room. My bed. Come on. Yeah. Go. This is my view. I'll show y'all this later, do a better video. And the toilet, the bath, the shower area, showers. It's really nice. Now, one reason why I chose to stay at Junglebay is they tell you, please pick fruits, pick vegetables and herbs that you want to eat. It's so lush here. They have watermelons, mames, plantains, and 2 pools. Can't beat that. Mmm. Little mango tree. Got his head big. The Atlantic Ocean. Ah, what a foot treatment. You can see the lizards everywhere. Oh, oh, that was relaxing. The foot massage was great. The detox was great. So, as I was seeing, I have some lymphatic problem, some digestive issues, and liver. So we're gonna work on that. Get this liver cleansed. These flowers are so beautiful. We're gonna take a little hike, try to go to the beach after lunch. Hear all sorts of noises. Oh shit, I think that's a snake. Yes, it is. That's a baby something. Oh my gosh. Lord. Okay. Ooh, snakes. Rain. But I hear there are no non-poisonous insects and spiders and we're gonna go. think I'm going to take a tour go down there and see the beach. Today we have kayaking, sunset kayaking. So, okay. This is Bubble Beach off the Atlantic Ocean. So basically, this water, if you put your hands in it, is like being in a sauna, super warm, due to the volcanoes on this beautiful island of Dominica.
And that guy who got up on video, he was in the front, taking pictures, and the telephone shooter jumped off.
Oh.
And he got this on the video, yeah? Wow. That was cool.
We've been doing more like people, so you can see like what's really right next to the water and trying to.
What a perfect way to end the day by sunset kayaking. It was so relaxing just to be out in nature. Follow me for part 2 of my trip in Dominica.